So you may wonder how to keep your prepaid number when switching to a postpaid SIM card for permanent one. So here you can find all tariffs, LTA tariffs, and here you can see all of them, not just Angebot or other special offers. So here you can choose 24 months or you can choose monthly. I think this one is better. So this is about €6 monthly. You just have to pay €10 just once, and per month you have to pay €6. Here this is you can call, SMS, and you can have your own phone number. You can keep it. And let me show you another. For example, if you want 8 gig, it is like this, about €14, and you just have to pay €10, and so on. Click on order now. Then here, take my current phone number with you, this one. Then I can keep my phone number. Please select the time at which you would like to port your phone number. I would like to take my phone number with me at the end of the contract period, and I would like to take my phone number with me immediately before the end of the current contractual relationship. And you will write your phone number. Be careful when you are using Google, because it translates the whole page, but here you have to be in German, because otherwise it has some errors. So now you have to fill all the blanks with your personal information, and at the end about your card number or your account number. It's actually deduct from your account number every month. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.